Welcome to UltraShip TMS. In this demo, we'll walk you through one of the most important parts of freight brokerage operations, creating a load. You've already seen how shippers and carriers can be added and onboarded through UltraShip CRM. The natural next step is building a load, the foundation for everything that follows. With UltraShip, creating a load isn't just about entering data. It's about unlocking powerful features that let you generate rate confirmations, track shipments, calculate margins, add accessorial charges, manage instructions, and seamlessly move into invoicing. In short, you're capturing the entire lifecycle of a load, from pickup to delivery and beyond. From the main menu, select Loads. Here you'll see a complete list of all previously created loads. To begin a new one, simply click Create Load in the top right corner. At the top of the page, you'll notice a progress bar. This bar visually tracks your progress as you complete each section of the load, helping you stay organized and ensuring that no step is missed. Start by selecting your shipper, the customer for whom this load is being created. Enter the shipper rate and, if needed, add any special instructions. Next, move to the Load Information section. Here, choose the type of load, then select the appropriate equipment type and size required to move it. Now, let's add your pickup details. Click Add and a pop-up window will appear. Fill in the shipper company name, pickup date and time, and address. You can specify whether the pickup is appointment-based or FCFS. Additional fields allow you to enter PO numbers, container numbers, or a load description. Next, add your commodity details and save. Follow the same process to add the drop location. If your load involves multiple pickups or drops, UltraShip allows you to add as many as needed. Now scroll down to the Carrier Details section. Here, you can search for a carrier who has already been onboarded, either by name, MC number, or CRID. Once selected, enter the carrier rate. As soon as you enter these details, UltraShip automatically calculates and displays your margin, giving you a real-time view of profitability. You can also add carrier-specific instructions in the Notes field. Once assigned, UltraShip marks the load as booked and updates the status instantly. Now let's assign the driver and truck. Click the pen icon and fill in driver and equipment details. This step enables shipment tracking. UltraShip integrates seamlessly with tools like Trucker Tools, or you can opt for manual tracking where you update statuses as needed. Next, navigate to Go to Rate Cons at the bottom of the screen. It will take you to a new page, and here you can generate and download both shipper and carrier rate confirmations. After they're signed, you can upload them directly into UltraShip. But there's more. UltraShip also offers a revolutionary e-rate con feature. With this, you can send rate confirmations directly to shippers or carriers via email. They can sign electronically, and once submitted, the signed rate confirmation is automatically uploaded to UltraShip. You'll also receive an instant email notification, making the process seamless and paperless. And that's how easy and efficient it is to create a load in UltraShip.